Have you ever noticed that native English speakers say, like, and all the time? Most people think these are mistakes, but they're not. They're actually the secret to sounding natural and fluent. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use these 5 filler words like a native speaker. Hi, welcome to Daily English Edge. I'm your English teacher, and today we're tackling something that no textbook ever teaches you: filler words. These are the small words and sounds that native speakers use to fill pauses while they're thinking or organizing their thoughts. If you want to sound more natural in conversations and speak English fluently, you need to master these. Let's go. Let's start with and These are the most natural pauses in English conversation. When a native speaker is thinking of the right word, they say or to hold the floor so nobody interrupts them. Listen to this example. I went to the store yesterday and I bought some groceries and some coffee too. Notice how it sounds completely natural? The and give the speaker time to think without any awkward silence. You can use these anytime you need a moment to find the right word. Don't be afraid of these pauses. They're not mistakes, they're normal English conversation. Now let's talk about like. In everyday English, like has become much more than just a verb. Native speakers use it to pause, emphasize, or add a casual tone to their speech. Here's how it works. I was so tired after work, and I was I just need to sleep. Does that sound familiar? Yes, it does. When young people speak English, they use like constantly. But here's the key. Use it sparingly in professional settings. In casual conversations with friends or peers your age, like is completely natural. Just don't overuse it, or you might sound less confident. The rule is 1 or 2 likes per sentence maximum. The phrase, is incredibly common in native English. Speakers use it to check if the listener is following them or to soften what they're about to say. For example, this project is, pretty complicated, but I think we can handle it. Another example, I haven't been to that restaurant in years, The food was amazing. Makes your speech more conversational and shows that you care about your listeners' understanding. It's a bridge word that keeps the conversation connected. Native speakers use it several times per minute in natural conversation, so don't hesitate to include it when you speak English. The word actually is used when you want to add new information, correct something, or show contrast. Listen closely. I thought the meeting was at 3, but actually, it's at 2. See, that's a gentle correction. Or, everyone assumes I don't like coffee, but actually, I love it. Actually is professional enough for business English, but casual enough for everyday conversations. It's also perfect for intermediate English learners because it helps you add nuance to your speaking. Native speakers use actually frequently because it makes their speech more natural and sophisticated. So next time you want to add a detail or correct something politely, use actually. Finally, let's talk about well. This is the perfect filler word to start a sentence when you need a moment to think. Well, I think the best approach would be, or, well, that's a good question. Let me think about it. Well sounds thoughtful and deliberate. It shows the listener that you're considering your answer carefully, not just reacting. Native speakers use well at the beginning of sentences constantly, especially in interviews, presentations, or serious conversations. It's more formal than or like, so use it when you want to sound professional and measured. When you say well before answering a question, you automatically sound more confident and in control of the conversation. There you have it, 5 essential filler words that native speakers use every single day. Remember, and for thinking pauses, like for casual emphasis, to check connection, actually for corrections, and well for thoughtful starts. The best way to master these is to practice in real conversations. So the next time you're speaking English, pay attention to when you pause and try using one of these filler words naturally. Subscribe to Daily English Edge for a new English lesson every single day, and let's keep improving your English together. Thanks for watching.